Sup witches, this is Eisen. These are my brother's Timberland Pro pants. And yeah, they're freaking starting to fall apart here. Probably about a year old. Yeah, for whatever reason, the Velcro has completely come undone on both sides. So I'm stitching that up for him today. But yeah, I just wanted to point that out, that it's so bad it literally freaking fell off the other end, which hasn't happened on the other side. But yeah, if I were to, entirely diagnose this, I'd say that they didn't take a hot knife to the Velcro when they cut it and just cut it as if it was fabric, which you're not supposed to frickin' do on account of, it does this, falls right out of the stitching, because there was stitching there, but they just chose to make it, it's not that great of a job there. So I'm going to fix that for him today, and I'll have more coming because he's got other work pants he needs fixed. Squeak. So I just put a couple lines on this thing. So now it's going to actually frickin' function, right? I've done that on the other side, and I'm going to go in with a crochet hook and remove all this fuzz, just like I did on the other pants. So then this is going to stick twice as well, because the amount of stuff that's come off it and the way I had to stitch it for it to actually work has decreased its effectiveness. So yeah, I'm going to bring that back by taking all the fuzz out. Well, I gotta stitch that part closed too, I guess. They screwed up on the bottom layer. That looks all good. That's what was in there. Freaking insane amount.